Cardano is on the verge of something huge, a potential monster breakout that could shake up the entire crypto market. In this video, we're going to show you a powerful falling wedge pattern, shifting technical indicators like the RSI and MACD, and massive whale accumulation that are all pointing towards a dramatic move for ADA. Now, if you've been tracking the market for the next big opportunity, this analysis is exactly what you've been waiting for. Imagine riding a roller coaster that suddenly levels out at the perfect moment, right? Well, that's what might just be Cardano right now. Over the past week, Cardano has been on a wild ride. We saw its price fluctuate dramatically, with a notable surge pushing ADA above 80 cents on February 11th. But as with any thrilling ride, there were also a few dips too. Earlier in the week, ADA hovered at around 65 cents and 72 cents, even experiencing a brief dip before the rally kicked in. Now, this volatility might seem a bit nerve-wracking for at least at first, right? But it's actually setting the stage for something much bigger. Now, market analyst Ali Martinez recently spotted what he calls a falling wedge breakout on the Cardano price chart. Now, if you're wondering what that means, let me break it down for you in simple terms. A falling wedge pattern is a technical indicator that often suggests a bullish reversal is on the horizon. Picture two downward sloping lines converging like a funnel. This is the descending triangle that we're talking about. When the price finally breaks above the upper trend line, it's like the train has left the station and is picking up speed for an upward rally. Now, according to Martinez, Cardano has now closed a strong candle above this resistance trend line, confirming the breakout. With momentum in its favor, he projects that ADA could see a rally towards the 83-cent mark. That might not sound like a huge pump, but in crypto terms, every decimal counts and can signal further upward movement. So what do you think about this breakout signal? Have you been keeping an eye on ADA lately? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Just a word of warning on that though, there are lots of scammers operating in the comment sections of our videos. As fast as I ban them, delete them, they just keep coming, more and more bots. I cannot combat it all. So if you do go down into the comment section, feel free to waste their time, but understand that the majority of the comments that you're seeing there are scammers. Better than joining us in the comment section, you can join us in our free Discord server. It's probably one of the safest places in all of crypto. It is linked in the description down below, and we can continue the conversations down there. All right. Now that we've seen the surface action with the breakout signal, let's peel back the layers and get into the detail, because when it comes to crypto, the devil is in the details. To really understand what happens, or at least what's happening with Cardano, I should say, we need to look at two critical technical indicators, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, known as MACD. Let's start things off with the RSI. It's currently sitting at around 40.31 at the point of recording. Now, here's a quick rundown. The RSI is a momentum oscillator. That tells us if an asset is overbought or oversold. With the oversold kind of threshold set at 30, ADA's current RSI indicates that there is still some buying interest, while the momentum isn't exactly sky high yet. However, if we see the RSI move past 50, that would be a clear signal that bullish momentum is building up. Moving over to the MACD then, the situation is a bit more nuanced, right? Currently, the MACD is in bearish territory, with the MACD line sitting below the signal line. But here's the catch. We're also noticing that the red histogram bars, which represent selling pressure, are gradually shrinking. This suggests that the intensity in which selling pressure is present is actually diminishing, and we might see, at least might be on the brink of a reversal here. So what does this mean? Or at least I should say, what this means is that while the short-term sentiment might still lean bearish, the momentum is shifting. A bullish trend reversal could occur if the MACD line crosses the signal line, essentially giving us that extra confirmation that we need. Now remember, that falling wedge that we mentioned earlier? Well, this pattern combined with the technical readings from the RSI and MACD adds a layer of confidence to the bullish outlook. It's like having multiple pieces of a puzzle come together, suggesting that Cardano's breakout, it isn't just a fluke. So are you familiar with the RSI and the MACD? Do you rely on these tools when making your crypto decisions? Let me know in the comments or in the Discord server that is linked in the description. Okay, now that we've kind of tackled the technical side, let's shift gears and see what the big players, the whales, are up to in the Cardano space. Ever wondered what the whales are doing while the rest of us are watching the charts? Well, their moves can be the best indicator of where the crypto asset is heading. According to market intelligence firm Sentiment, right, Cardano has experienced an 11% rise in market capitalization recently. But what's really catching everyone's eye here is the steady accumulation of ADA by large holders, often referred to as whales in the crypto world. So here's the scoop, right? Wallets holding at least 1 million ADA have significantly increased their holdings since November 2023. In fact, these whales have added a whopping 1.41 billion ADA to their portfolios. To put that into perspective, this accumulation now makes up about 2.35% of Cardano's total supply. This is a strong signal that institutional participants and big players are gaining confidence in ADA's future. Moreover, Sentiment noted that ADA's price has surged by an impressive 107% since the whale's accumulation trend began, right? Now, that's not something that you see every day in the crypto market. It suggests that these big players aren't just holding ADA, they're actively signaling to the market that a bullish reversal might be on the horizon. Adding another layer to this narrative, data from Into the Block shows that long-term ADA holders, those who have been in it for over a year or so, have expanded their positions by 1.81%. This increase in commitment from long-term investors further strengthens the case for a sustained upward trend. Historically, when we see large institutional holders and whales accumulating at a significant portion of an asset's supply, well, it often precedes a major price movement. Their increased involvement isn't just about speculation either. It's a sign of confidence in the asset's fundamentals and future growth. And in a world of cryptocurrency where market sentiment can be just as important as technical indicators, this kind of behavior can be an absolute game changer. So, what do you think? Are the whales signaling a bullish trend for Cardano? Have you noticed similar patterns in other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum? I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comments down below or in our Discord server, so go ahead and check it out. Now, with these powerful indicators and significant whale movements on our side, it looks like Cardano might just be poised for an exciting next chapter. Now, I'm not here to give financial advice. I am no financial advisor. I've got no qualifications to be a financial advisor. I do not know your financial situation to be able to offer you personalized financial advice. I'm just a guy on YouTube sharing his thoughts and opinions on the data in the charts and the news as he sees it. But it's pretty exciting to see these signs lining up. The combination of a confirmed breakout pattern, improving technical indicators, and strong whale accumulation all point to a potential bullish trend for Cardano. However, as with any investment, especially in the volatile world of crypto, it's crucial to do your own research and consider all of the kind of potential risks involved. Now, if you found this update useful and informative, make sure to hit that like button. The more likes there are, the further that the video will get pushed by YouTube, and that will spread the message about Cardano to more investors. So let's get those likes up. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest news and technical analysis on Cardano, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, if you want to check out my technical analysis and what I think is going on and why I am long on Cardano, you're going to want to check out that video right there. It's one you're probably not going to want to miss.